So good morning everyone. So today we're on Sector B. We are in an urbanisation called Camposol in and near the port of Mathron on the Costa.Calida. We've got a beautiful Neptuno style villa to show you today. So let's go in and get cracking. So as you can see, the road is quite wide and just down there is the golf club. So it's only about a 10-minute walk or a 2-minute drive. And up the top of the other end of the road there are amenities which are about a 3 to 5 minute drive, if that. Okay, you have off-road parking here and you have a pedestrian gate. This Neptuno is kind of a back to front kind of property, so I'll take you around and I'll show you the pool area and all that first before I take you into the main house. Okay, as you can see, there's plenty of established plants and shrubs, decorative stones, and just over there is just over there you can see there is an area, your carport, which are off-road parking, and you've got a water point just there beside the staircase. Just here under the stairs it's just storage. I'll show you quickly. And you've got a gas boiler in here. Okay, just around here got plenty of steps, and this brings you up to an underbuilt just here. Let's have a look in here. It's quite a large underbuilt, as you can see, and if you wanted to you could reform it. Okay, really large, and you got your central heating tank there. So these steps lead up into a beautiful garden. Got some gorgeous plants all in bloom. So I'll take you in and around and I'll show you the pool area. But first, I'll just show you this bar. This is lovely in here. So you have a nice area with the fan going there where you can sit and relax. And just in here is a barbecue and bar area. Okay, really very nice. And of course you got your bucket there for your ice. Put your beers in or your champagne. So I'll just take you up around here. So just here you've also got dining table for outside dining. Beautiful pool area. So this is a better view of the house from the back end, and of course you've got lights all the way round. So house is fully lit. And as you can see just over here you got some lemon trees, so you can have your ice and a slice while you're having your gin and tonic. So let's go inside. The main door is just there. As you can see, that decorative balustrade, but there is an entrance here which I'm going to go into this way. Okay, so just in here, this is your D section. And those doors are like bifolding doors, and they open up and you can see all the kids and your family, your friends in the pool. Okay, really nice view to show you. All right, so let me take you inside into the property itself. Now just as I come in the front door there, you have a wardrobe with overhead storage. In here in the dining area you have aircon. And this is a lovely property. You have your nice large dining room table there and your kitchen just through here. Okay, so I'm doing this house a little different than I do normally. Beautiful kitchen, plenty of top and base units, all granite worktops, really nice. You have your washing machine, your cookers, your ovens, microwave oven, everything in this kitchen, and your fridge freezer, and of course your hood extractor fan and your spotlights. So this is your lovely dining area, your dining room I should say, sorry, I apologise, your dining room. Really nice, and as you can see there are radiators under the windows. So this house has aircon, radiators, and of course nice Spanish ceiling lights and fans. You've also got an electric feature fireplace there. Okay, so I'm going to take you through the archway. So through the archway here you have a radiator, also have a nice chandelier, and just in here you have got records, insect screens, blackout blinds and secure locks on the windows. You've also got your radiators and your aircon. If I just pan around here, nice large double bedroom, and through there is your ensuite. You've also got wardrobes down there as well. Okay. So here you have a double wardrobe and a single wardrobe, and in here you have a nice large double shower. You got your WC, sink and vanity unit and a bidet. You've also got your radiator. This bathroom is fully tiled and it's a lovely ensuite. Okay, so I'm just going to take you through again now. We go into the other bedroom. But just before that, there is another shower room, which is the second one. So you have your shower there. You have WC, sink and pedestal. Again, all fully tiled. Really done nicely. In here is second bedroom. You could fit in 2 single beds in here if you wanted to. So a nice room with ceiling light and fan. And of course, just over there you've got your aircon. So let me take you upstairs and I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. Now guys, as I come up from the stairs here, the staircase, I've just come up into the bedroom. And this is really unusual for a Neptune. It's a totally different layout. You've got a small bedroom in here, nice porthole window and patio doors. Okay, through here you have another bedroom. You have your aircon above there and your ceiling light and fan. Really nice bedroom with your central heating. If I just pan around, you've also got your patio doors in this room and some freestanding wardrobes. Okay. Now just in here, you have got your sink and vanity unit. You have a bidet, WC and nice shower unit. All fully tiled, and again, got some lovely spotlights above. Okay. So I'm going to take you downstairs. We've got radiators in there as well. Just going to take you out here first. This is to your rooftop solarium. You have underneath storage there, as you can see. And if I bring you down this end of the house, you can see that fabulous pool, and you can see all the walls are raised for privacy as well. Okay, so let me take you back in. Lovely layout, this property. It's really unusual the top box like this, I gotta say. Very nice indeed. So I'll see you at the bottom of the stairs, guys. So we've come back down into the living room from the top box, and that is the end of the house tour. So guys, if you're interested in this property, I'm just going to give you a quick glimpse of the kitchen. Do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and don't forget to put your contact details in the email. Okay, so until the next time, guys, don't forget to share and like. Take care.